What is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a brand new unboxing video. As always, it was some Travis Scott stuff, so you know that means it took about forever to get here, but it's fine. I don't know what current resale value is of these, but right here we have a pair of the Travis Scott McDonald's slippers, and as always, every order comes with one of these. So I probably have about like 6 of these now. I only wanted to keep like one, but I guess I could resell McDonald's Travis Scott bags, but this is a size medium, small medium, and then I also have a large XL as well. Now obviously the large XL is for resale, and I might keep the small medium. I don't know yet, to be fair. Like, I'm looking at it, I'm like, do I really need these around the house? It really just depends what resell is. And then as always in the other one as well, we got another McDonald's bag. We have so many of these bags, but it's fine. They just pile up because who cares, right? They just toss them everywhere. All right, I mean, to be honest, these don't look bad. I mean, they look pretty comfortable. I'm curious though. They definitely feel soft, that's for sure. They got that new, I don't know, slipper smell. Look at these. Like, why did I buy these? I don't know, to be honest, but they're not bad. What do you guys think? Would you be busting these out after a shower? I don't know, I feel like I'm only going to keep them to wear them outside around like in the summer. I know you don't really wear these kind of slippers out, but I feel like that's just what I would do with them, is keep them in the summer and then wear them around the house in the winter. But they're not, I mean, like I said, they're not bad. They could be worse. They're very soft actually, and I kind of want to try them on. A part of me wants to, just because I might keep these, but you know. Let's see, on feet try on for the Travis Scott slippers, and let's get a close up real quick. Alright, now before we get into the actual close-up, here are what they look like on feet. I mean, they just feel like slippers, but they actually are very comfortable, and it kind of makes me just want to keep them even more. But I don't know. I mean, you could definitely just bust them out and rock them on some normal shit, but let's see what they look like up close. And then right off the bat, you could see a little tag that says nobody can do it like Cactus Jack can, which is pretty cool to have McDonald's branding your stuff like that. So shout out Travis Scott for that. And then right at the top, we got the nice embroidery of the squiggly lines. And then right over here on one of the slippers we got Cactus Jack, and then on the other we have the McDonald's logo with the Cactus Jack version of it. And then when you flip it over, there's really nothing else. It just says small medium, just normal slippers. But I mean, like I said, you could even tell that they are pretty soft. Like, you know it's soft when you do that and it changes colors. But I don't know, what do you guys think of these? Let me know down below. I'm super curious. Like I said, I got 2 pairs. I'm gonna try to resell both, but if one doesn't resell, I'm not gonna be mad with having to keep one of these, just because I mean like, whatever, it's a pair of slippers. You always got slippers around the house, but let me know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. This has been Josh, and I don't know, I have now 2 pairs of these, and I definitely don't need them, but we're gonna see if they resell. And so far, some of the Travis Scott stuff has been selling, some of it hasn't, so it's literally just a hit or miss. But if you guys want, go follow my Grailed right there. You know, I got some steals on there, and I post other stuff than just the Travis Scott stuff. I post other streetwear steals that I get, so go follow my Grailed, and go follow me on Instagram right there as well. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. This has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace.